Welcome in Prabhakar International School and Junior College, Class 7, Chapter 3rd, HCF and LCM. In this video, we are going to discuss Practice Set 12, Find the HCF. So, question number 1 is 25, 40. Now, whenever you are finding HCF, find out the prime factors in rough space. So, I will write here rough space. Now 25, find out the prime factors. So you know that at the unit place 5 is there, means the entire number is divisible by 5, that is divisibility test of 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So which are the factors of 25? Right here 25 equal to 5 into 5. Now we are going to find out factor of 40. Again write in rough space 40. So you know that this number is divisible by 2 as it is an even number. 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So these are the prime factors. Write down them. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. These are the prime factors of 40. Okay. Now when you are finding HCF, what you have to do? You have to find out the common factor of both the numbers. So you can see here, this is the common factor. So write here 5. So you can say that HCF of 25 and 40 is 5. Question number 2. Find the HCF of 56 and 32. So first of all we need to find out factors of 56 and 32. So in rough space we will find out the factors. You can see that at the unit place 6 is there, which is an even number. It means that entire number is an even number. So it must be divisible by 2. I will write here 2. You can see 2 2s are 4, 1 carry over, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again divisible by 2, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So these are the factors of 56 right here. 2 into 2 into again 2 into 7. 1 2 3 and 7. All factors I have written. Now we will see 32. At the unit place 2 is there, then the entire number is an even number. So start dividing by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry over. 2 6s are 12. Then 2 8s are 16. 8 is also divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So prime factors of 32 are 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2. Okay. Now find out common factor. So HCF equal to, you can see here, this is the common pair. Out of that, okay, now again one common pair, out of that one we will take, again common pair, out of that one we will take. Now nothing is common here. Okay, multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So HCF of 56 and 32, you can write like that. HCF of 56 and 32 is 8. Find the HCF of 40, 60 and 75. So we are going to solve it in rough space. First of all we need to find out the prime factors. I will write here 40. Now you know that this is even number because unit place 2 is there. Okay. So divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. Then 2 1s are 2, 0 as it is. Then again 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors of 40. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So right here 3 times 2 into 5. These are the common factor. Now find out the prime factors of 60. Again this is an even number because the digit at unit place is 0. So 2 3s are 6, 0, Now again divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 carry over. 2 fives are 10. Then this number is divisible by 3. 3 fives are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So which are the prime factor of 60? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right? Now we will find out the prime factors of 75. I will write here 75. Now you know that the digit at unit place is 5. It means that the entire number is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. 2 carry over. 5 fives are 25. Okay. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. And 3 ones are 3. So prime factors of 75 are 5 into 5 into 3. Now here we got all prime factors. When we are finding HCF of all these numbers, HCF of 40, 60, 75 equal to, like that also you can write. So you can see this 5 is coming everywhere. So 5 is the common number. Now 5 is here but not here, so this is not common. Now 3 is here also and here also, but prime factor of 40 we are not having any 3. It means that we can't take that number. So HCF of 40, 60 and 75 is 5. Question number 5. Find the HCF of 18, 32, 48. So we will find out the prime factors first of all. 18. Now this is an even number. So 2 nines are 18. 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now 32. Again this is an even number. Okay. Divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 carry over. 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So prime factors of 32 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now find out the prime factor of 48. This is an even number. Divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So these are the prime factors of 18, 32 and 48. Now we are finding HCF of 18, 32, 48. Find out the common numbers. So you can see this is first pair which is common in all three numbers. Okay, so write here ones. Now for 2 there is no pair. For 3 is here but not here. Here it is but not here. It means that only one number is common in all three prime factors, right? So therefore the HCF of 18, 32, 48 is 2. Question number 10. Find the HCF of 777, 315 and 588. So one by one we are going to find out the prime factors of all these numbers. We will find out one by one. 777, 100% this is divisible by 7, right? 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Now add these numbers 1 plus 1, 2, 3. It means that entire number is divisible by 3. Divisibility test of 3. So 3 3s are 9, 2 carry over, 3 7s are 21. 37 is a prime number, so it will divide by itself only. 37 ones are 37. So the prime factors are 7 into 3 into 37. Now find out the prime factors of 315. 315. Unit place 5 is there, divide by 5. 5 6 are 30, 1 carry over, 5 3 are 15. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So prime factors are 5 into 3 into 3 into 7. Then 588 divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry over, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry over, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 3. These are the prime factors. So HCF of all these numbers equal to, find out the common number. You can see here 7, 7 and here also 7. So write here ones. Then for 3, 3, 3 and 3 means 3 is common in all three prime factors. So write here 3. Now 37. Nothing is common. So HCF of these numbers is 21.